Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to be fixing this screen of this Infinix Android smartphone. So as you can see, I've already removed the screen, but what I'm doing now is to see how I can put everything in order so that I can be able to fix the screen without damaging anything on the phone. So now all I have to do now is to I have to test the screen. And as you can see, this phone is somehow complicated. So what I have to do is I have to test the screen off case, as you can see from the video. So I just I just fixed the screen flex and the battery flex. So I have to put a charge to see if there is charge on the battery. I think, yeah, it's charging. Yeah, it's charging. So the next thing I have to do now is to on the phone so that I can test the screen and make sure that the screen is working perfectly before I now fix it on the frame, on the housing. So yeah, the screen has come up, so I have to gently test all the alphabets to make sure that everything is okay before now coupling the phone back. As you can see, the phone is on now. Can be able to pay or buy the screen. So like I'm doing it now, I have to test everything before fixing it on that frame. If not, once I fix it and it didn't work out, it means I buy it whether I like it or not. So I have tested it and everything is working normal, so I have to now fix it on the frame. So just watch me and see how I do it. So I gently dismantle it from the motherboard. So now I have to apply I have to apply the gum. Yeah, to apply the black gum. So it's called Kali gum. As you can see, do it gently without spoiling anything. So after that we now fix the screen, because we have already tested it earlier and found out that the screen is working perfectly. So we now have go ahead to fix it on the frame, because now whatever happens now, the loss is on our head. We don't have any assurance at this stage. So if the screen happens to spoil at this stage, the loss is on our head. So the people who sell it, who are selling the market, don't have any business to do with us again at this stage. So I have to tight it. So all these things is just the what it takes to be a phone engineering. So I now fix the battery, as you can see from the screen. So I'll fix the battery now, and then make sure everything is clipped normally, properly. Then I'll on it to make sure that there is no problem on the screen. Okay, there's no problem. So let me dismantle it back and fix it so that I can be able to couple it. So The job is somehow complicated, but once you understand the secret behind the job, you have to just take everything gradually, because any small mistake come with several consequences. That's phone repairing services for you. So I have to fix it gently. All the knots, tighten it where they belong, as you can see from the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, because in this channel we post anything related to tech. We advise, we do a lot of practical here, simple phone engineering services that you can learn. So always hit the subscribe button and hit the notification sign, so that when I'm posting my next video, you will be the first to be notified. So now I have to switch it on to test it for the final time. I think maybe the battery, it didn't sit well, but so we're going to test it for the last time. After now, I think we are good to go. So everything is working perfectly. Everything is working absolutely fine. This can be seen from the video. Thank you very much. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.